In this question, you have to identify at what stage or when the meiotic division of a secondary oocyte is completed. Option A, after zygote formation. This is incorrect. The meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed before the formation of the zygote and not after its formation. Option B, at the time of fusion of a sperm with an ovum. The secondary oocyte completes its second meiotic division only after the sperm penetrates the oocyte during fertilization. So, upon fusion with the sperm, the oocyte undergoes a cascade of biochemical processes that triggered the resumption of meiosis II previously, which was arrested at metaphase 2 stage. And this process involves the completion of meiosis II, resulting in the formation of mature ovum and a small polar body. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C, prior to ovulation. This is incorrect. The secondary oocyte is arrested at metaphase 2 before ovulation and only completes meiosis II after fertilization by a sperm as already stated. Option D, at the time of copulation. This is also incorrect. Copulation does not trigger the completion of meiosis. It leads to the fusion of the sperm and the oocyte that can promote the final meiotic division.